Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's a 2 Willian time. One of the greatest 2 Willians of all time has decided to bring his mighty, fiery wrist to the building. We talking about the legendary who? The legendary Jigsaw Boys. The Jigsaw Boys are in the building, ready to act a bona fide, classified, 2 Willian-fied fool. Can the boys in blue calm these wild Jigsaw Boys down, or will the Jigsaw Boys take that mighty wrist, give it a twist, and say, devil, get on the back. Let me take you to the outskirts of hell and show you how we get down out there and make the boys in blue look like clowns. Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister, Jigsaw style. Okay, there go the Jigsaw right there. You see the police. Pull over, punk. We just wanna talk. Oh, he's out of there. Yeah, but do. Body on earth, wrist twist from hell. Here come my mighty wrist devil. I hope you're ready. Man, he shot past that other cop, didn't he? I don't know if y'all gonna catch him in no SUVs, man. I gotta keep it a hundo. SUVs might not be able to get the job done. If he on a Jigsaw, it's gonna be way too. Hold on, wait a minute. I catch back up. We got a chunky donkey on the motorcycle, y'all. He might be a little too chunky for this ride. I don't know what the speed is, y'all. If I did, I wish I did. We gotta ask State Boys that. What was the speed, State Boys? Shout out to the State Boys. We don't know how fast they going. I'm pretty sure we in the triple digits. But homeboy on the bike is looking a little chunky. He is looking a little chunky now. He look like he pushing 300. Don't beat me up, my boy. I don't care if he was 500 pounds. Somebody, that cop shouldn't be able to keep up with him. What's going on here?
That's 361's traffic. He's secondary. We're coming up to the 90.
Open it up right here. This is straightaway. Ah, y'all have vanished on him right here. Nah, ain't no way you keep. Oh, this ain't nothing but straight. You ain't keeping up with me on no bike. Not this type of straightaway. Uh-oh. You better do something, because they about to try to pull a maneuver on you. Yeah, he's scared of the bike, y'all. Cause look how fast he pulled away from him when they got close to him.
Coming up to the 92.
Woo! He playing with fire. It's a good looking bike too, I can tell. Is that a guy or is that a girl? I don't know if that's a guy or it's a girl. Oh, he opened it up on him.
All right, we're going to be continuing on 28 Street past the 92.
Pull over, Chunky. We got snacks back at the station. Come on now. Don't make us work for it.
I'm waiting on it. Coming up on the 93. We're in the right lane. Is it on the exit stand by?
Why won't he open it up, or she? Oh, Sparks flying. She might be too heavy for the bike. Hold on. The bike probably sweating right now. The bike like, hold on now. We need to lose some of this weight. You gotta commit, bro. You already committed. I know it's scary at nighttime, but if you done anything illegal, you gotta let your hair out. Go on, let it down, and be prepared to get your wings. I forgot to say that at the end.
coming up. Stand by, I'll get you a marker here in a minute.
Why is he not vanishing? He got the bike. He got the machine to do it. Okay, he's starting to get a little now. Oh, you got police ahead of you.
15, we're in the left lane here. He's coming up to you now, pretty hot.
You got to make a move, my boy. They trying to set you up, my boy.
95. See if we can channelize. Move to the right lane. Move to the right lane.
Ooh, I see you. Good riding right there. That was some good riding right there. They almost had you.
Bottom road. Coming up towards 11. That's 98, maybe? Correct, 98.
They should not be able to catch you in no SUVs, ma. And especially no super extreme trash. You got the advantage. Twist that wrist and forget everything. Be gone with the wind. It's time for interdimensional travel, man. You want to be a time traveler? Here's your chance. Man, sparks flying? What? Something must be wrong with this bike. Where are these sparks coming from, man? Did his tire explode? Whoa, what the cop try to do? Hit him? What's wrong with? Oh, you got a piece of you got a piece of garbage. Come on, man. They should not be able to box you in, bro. I know you lying. Come on, bro. Hit him with the taser for what I just saw. Tase him for what I just saw. What was that? If you knew you had a piece of junk, why are you running? All the 2 Williams in the world are mad right now.
Are you hurt? He hadn't really moved in this other than wall around the ground. All right, where you hurting at?
What?
Hey, you know you wouldn't be hurting if you stopped, right?
I agree.
Get your ambulance on the way. Fucked up. Well, you fucked up. Yes, that is correct.
Come on, bro. What was that, man? You knew your bike was junk.
All right, where are you hurting at?
Oh, fucking shoulders.
Your shoulders.
Yes.
Where's your ID at?
Oh, my pocket.
He probably broke his collarbone. He think it's his shoulder, but his collarbone probably broke.
Right here.
If you ever had your collarbone broke, you know what I'm talking about. I think he probably broke his collarbone. He ain't the littlest guy. He looked like he pushing 300. Unless he had on some parachute pants.
Jay what?
Jay Dummy.
You have a radio for ambulance radio? Yeah. You have drugs on me that's gonna prick me or fuck me that I'm gonna get hurt on. You leave your car and drive? No, it's in park, but it rolled all the way up into me. Yeah.
Shut up, doofus.
I put it in park, but when I hopped out to try to grab him, it kept on going for whatever reason.
You ain't put it in park. That's why I kept on going. All the lies you telling is crazy.
I'm fucked up.
I put my car in park, but it kept rolling. I ain't never saw that.
Oh, I want you to sit right there. Okay. What's hurting on you? Everything.
Oh my goddamn knee right there killing me.
Can you let me know? Because I'm kind of.
Look like his leg is broke.
You got any belongings on you? Knives, guns, anything? Why are you running from me, man? Why are you running from me?
Officer, he ain't gonna tell you why he's running from you. You know he ain't gonna tell you that. Why you running from me, man? Because he's a doofus magoofus. On a raggedy jixer. I ain't hating on a jixer. I'm just saying his jixer was raggedy. Meet me in the comments. Listen, I'm sorry, 2 Williams, but what we saw right here is downright disgusting. I know the two Williams is better than this. I know y'all would not dare claim this guy right here. I thought he was going to get busy. For a minute, he had us all fooled. For a minute, I thought we had a pro. Then I started seeing some problems. I first looked at the weight. I said, come on now. He ain't supposed to be on this bike, but he is. I said, maybe, just maybe, he trying to relive his younger life. And he jumped on the crotch rocket that he had sitting in the garage for a couple of years. Been in the garage for 15. He said, you know, I'm going to get back on the bike and see what I can do. I'm going to get back on the bike and see what I used to do when I was a young Thundercat and I used to run from the boys in blue. And he decided to run from the boys in blue. But he forgot he ain't tuned it up in 15 years. He ain't changed the oil in 15 years. He ain't changed the tires in 15 years. And this is what you get. An old timer trying to be a youngster. He just did not represent for y'all, man. He used to be a top 2 Willian, but today in 2026, he need to sit his ass down. If you know your equipment is not up to par, don't run from the boys in blue because they're going to run you down. They're going to chase you as long as they can see you. They not 10, 20, and 2 if they can see you. If they can see you, you ain't got to worry about them giving up, especially if they in who? Georgia, Arkansas, or Florida. They're going to run you down. And all that slowing down at the side of the road, trying to slow down and think they're going to show you mercy, they not showing you mercy. They're going to run you down and they'll run you over if they have to. Allegedly. I got to say allegedly. But check this out. Look, this is where they going to run him down there. Look, sparks flying. He think they finna show him some mercy. They not finna show you no mercy, my boy. They don't care about your bike having problems. It's about to have some more problems when they put you down. Look at him. Look at him. Come on, bro. Just pull over. They chunked his chunky butt like a rock. Rolling over, talking about his knee. I thought your knee hurt. Looked like your knee was just fine right there. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you got a video you want me to react to, go ahead and send it to my email. But make sure you meet me in the comments and let me know what you thought about this 2 Willian. He did not represent like the 2 Willians have been representing in 2026. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all sent it to me. I saw it. I said, oh, man, this got to be a good one. Looks like the 2 Willians have been, what is it, a mole? Somebody put a mole in the 2 Willians. An imposter on the 2 wheels of glory. I'm so sorry, y'all. But with that being said, don't forget to what? Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you got a few of those high points, I don't know if they're doing that anymore, but if they are still doing high points, throw me a couple of them. You know what I mean? But with that being said, let me leave you with some positivity. It's a pressure cooker out there. What you mean, T-Light? The world is a pressure cooker to you. When you step out there, it's pressure. It's pressure. Everybody got pressure on you. The bank, they want their money from you for your mortgage. The bill collector wants his money. The car loan guy wants his money. Everybody wants his money. Your wife, your girlfriend, or your husband or your boyfriend, they want some money from you. Your mother, your father, they want a little bit of money. Your kids, everybody wants something from you. Everybody tugging on you from all sides. The pressure is real. The question is, can you handle the pressure? I know you can. Don't you give up. Don't you give up because a little bit of pressure got on you. You've been in a pressure cooker. You know what it's like to be put the pressure on. You're a diamond, so you used to pressure. Don't quit because they put a little bit more on you. You got this. I know you do because you're a werewolf. I love you. I'm rooting for you. I don't want you to quit on yourself because right now it's rough. It's rough for everybody. We all having problems out here. We all have. Hell, I just beat a sickness. I had to come back like a vampire. Psych, I came back like a werewolf. Soon as the full moon hit, I was back. So pressure's on everybody. And I need for you to step up to the pressure and keep going because I love you. Keep going. But with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. Don't run. Pull over or you'll be like this guy looking like a bona fide fool unless you're a natural runner and you know how to shake those boys in blue. Because if you don't, stop running. But if you do, can you please, listen to me now. Can you please get you a healthy jixer?